May I request Chairman Singh to say a few words?
Ma'am Nikki Madan, Dr. Navjot Sidhu, Major HPS Aluwalia, Dr. Raj Bahadur, distinguished participants. It's very difficult to be the last speaker because nearly everything has been said, and you have only to sum it up in some way. But I promise to be brief because I understand you've been here for a while. First, let me explain to you why I am here. Actually, like Paramjit ji was saying, Governor was supposed to be here, Honorable Governor, but he had some other commitments. And it was indeed my karma that Nikki Madan came to me. She was pleasantly surprised that I agreed, and she couldn't believe it actually. So the card is also still printed in name of the Governor. So I'll try to look like the Governor if I can. But, basically, my sense of getting involved here is based on the fact that I have been to paraplegic rehabilitation centers. I've had the privilege of being there. You know, we all have mobiles. We need to charge the battery of that mobile. If you go to a PRC, paraplegic rehabilitation center, your spirits get recharged. You get that feeling that, oh God, you've been so kind to me. And here are these people who are teaching me how to maintain their spirit. So we in the army have a great tradition of looking after people who are injured, who have been part of our system. I do accept Dr. Raj Bahadur's lament, and we look into it, that why is it they are with us for so long? But Dr. Raj Bahadur will realize they are living as happy families. There are some people who got married after having reached there. So there are success stories. And they're living as self-sustaining, mutually supporting couples. That's also a model to follow. So Army has a paraplegic rehabilitation center which was set up in 1974 at Kirki in Pune. Kirki is traditionally the place where bone or spinal injuries in Army are treated. So after that in 1978, due to the benevolence of Punjab government, they gave us the land. We set up another center for the North India at Mohali. And may I request you all to consider going and visiting it. I went there initially once, and then I went again, and then I took the Governor of Haryana to associate the state of Haryana with that project. And every time, I must tell you, I come back with my spirits charged, recharged. So there are wonderful lot of people who are there. They play games, they live as family, they teach, and we are trying to do value additions to that project. So here was my karma, which wanted me to link up this center with the center that you're proposing to set up. That was the motive which drove me to come here. Because geographically I was told it is on the road to Patiala. They are in Army we call it beaten zone. They are both in supporting distance. Also, we have certain amount of competence. We have run this center now for 36 years. So you can share the experiences, you can pick up ideas. And I did not stop at that. I insisted that my director of the, my Major General who runs the center, the director and few of the inmates are called here. I said, let's get linked at various levels and institutionalize our linkages. Because Army is all about tenures. Ranu's posting is gone. I'll be gone after maybe an year or so, or a year and a half or so. But the director is here, inmates are here. I have introduced you to the center, and it was also my very fond desire to make you see a clip of General Rajda.
It's working now.
It's working now, so maybe you could show it to them. General Rajda is a soldier like Major HPS Ahluwalia. He's a legend. We have read so much about him. He is a Kirti Chakra. Kirti Chakra is the second highest gallantry award in army during peace times. There is a Ashok Chakra, there is a Kirti Chakra, and then there is Shaurya Chakra. He sustained this injury as a lieutenant colonel, and thereafter he has been promoted. Because the army has a system that if you are war wounded, we don't stop your promotion. So he rose to the rank of a Major General. We in Paraplegic Rehabilitation Center at Mohali have named a block after him recently. And he is quite an expert in this field. And I would convey his message because you have to respect their time also. So I'll in very short tell you that when he visited my center, he gave me wake-up call on few issues. Because he said, like what Dr. Raj Bahadur says, or like what Major Ahluwalia has said, our aim has to be to empower these people so that they go back to the society. See, there are people in different spheres. There are some who need to be sent back to the society. Empowered, sent back. Vocationalized, empowered, given that feeling like today, Major Ahluwalia is an achiever on his own. Yes, how many of us have set up a hospital like this? Or will we ever dream to even do it? He's done it after having sustained such an injury. So, two people like him need to be supported. He's a catalyst in society. We have to learn from him. So we also have to empower those people, send them back to their villages, and they run their small cells in villages and they provide leadership, they be part of the society. Yet there are some who are not so lucky. God has not been so kind. They need constant care, like Paramjit ji is there. So those people who have got a quadriplegic kind of a challenge, then they will have to be kept in that place. And that's where the vision of maybe paraplegic village or a small hub could well be required. And so there are needs at different levels which have to be addressed. So General Rajdan's basic thought is, I thought I'll share it with you. He says that empower these people and send them back to the society, make them live as normal people. And we in PRC are now trying to do that. In this week we are starting an Art of Living program for them. We have realized that with this kind of challenge, a person's upper body weight increases, so we have put a dietitian in place over there. And our dream is to teach them computers so that some of them become data entry operators. So these are 3-4 projects we've taken up. I assure all support to man in terms of Army may not be give you financial support, but maybe we will give you mentorship. We'll be able to associate with you. And I wish you all the success. And thank you for making me realize my karmas and including me here.